Did you know that you could screen record on your iPhone for absolutely free? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, why would you want to screen record on your phone? Well, there's several reasons really. It's a quick way to remember what you've been doing on your phone and what steps you took to get there. But I just recently discovered you could do it, and this benefits me because there's some games that are available on mobile device that you can't play on console. This means that I can now record the content directly from the in-game on my phone and upload it to my PC to allow me to build a video. Okay, so here's how you do it. First you want to click on Settings on your iPhone. From there, head to Control Center if you have the iOS 14 or later installed, but it will be under Customize Controls if not. Scroll down until you see Screen Recording, which will have a red record button icon. Click the green plus sign to the left of the name to add it to your control panel. Once you've done this, you simply swipe down from the top of your phone to reveal your control panel and press the record button that is now available. This will start recording everything you do on your phone until you hit that button again. I do hope you found this interesting, and this will link directly into my next video, which will be announced soon. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for future content. Stay safe, guys.